Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Frankenburg opens missile assembly site in Riga, targets production capacity of up to 100 missiles a day by the end of 2026. Frankenburg Technologies has opened its Riga weapon system and missile assembly factory, establishing its first operational step in a field foundry manufacturing model for high-volume missile system production. The company described the site as the first missile production facility in the Baltic region and the first affordable air defense missile production facility in the world. The opening was attended by Andrius Kubilius, European Commissioner for Defense and Space. He joined Frankenburg leadership for the ribbon-cutting ceremony and addressed the company's team at the new facility. The Riga site supports production of Frankenburg's Mark I guided air defense missile system. Its work includes missile electronics assembly, weapon system assembly, fire control system integration, production testing, and quality control. Frankenburg said the Riga facility was established in 12 months. It is designed around modular production stations, lean manufacturing processes, and standardized workflows. Together with a planned final assembly site in Adarzi, the Riga facility will form Frankenburg's first complete Latvian field foundry production system. The two-site setup is planned to reach capacity of up to 100 missiles per day by the end of 2026. The Riga facility covers about 1,000 square meters and is expected to employ up to 50 people. Frankenburg plans to produce 1,500 missiles in 2026 as it moves from initial low-rate production towards higher-volume manufacturing. Field Foundry is the company's model for sovereign high-volume missile system production. Frankenburg said the system can be deployed in existing facilities, temporary structures, or containerized installations and scaled across multiple sites. A standard field foundry configuration is designed for capacity of up to 100 missiles per day. The company said output can be expanded through additional production lines and multiple sites. Frankenburg said the model is intended to help allied countries establish local missile production capacity faster. It is also designed to reduce dependence on long supply chains and replenish stockpiles closer to the point of need. Kusti Som, CEO of Frankenburg Technologies, said, "The era of affordable defense missiles has arrived. For too long, guided missiles have been scarce, expensive, and slow to replenish. Frankenburg is proving they can be built differently, with missile speed and precision, but with the production logic of scale bringing costs down. Riga shows what that model looks like in practice, as compact, fast to set up, lower in capital intensity and scalable across allied countries." Latvia has been central to Frankenburg's development from the beginning, Som added. "Riga and Adarzi together will form our first field foundry production system and the Latvian foundation of a wider NATO-aligned manufacturing network. From here, we scale to Estonia, the United Kingdom and Poland. That is how Frankenburg moves from thousands of missiles to the annual million missile capacity Europe will need." Tavi Madaberk, chairman of the supervisory board of Frankenburg Technologies, said, "Defense is entering its production age. Millions of warhead-mounted drones already exist, and the free world now needs the industrial capacity to defeat them. A million missiles a year sounds impossible until somebody builds the system to make it possible. Frankenburg is already building that factory network, one field foundry after another." Andrius Kubilius, European Commissioner for Defense and Space, said, "Europe must be able to move from limited and expensive production toward affordable systems produced in larger numbers. Frankenburg's work in Riga is an example of the industrial ambition and new thinking Europe needs to strengthen its defense readiness." Mark I is Frankenburg's first affordable guided air defense missile system developed to counter mass drone and aerial threats. The company said it is designed to reduce the cost of interception by more than 10 times and enable mass production of guided air defense missiles for European and allied nations. Frankenburg plans additional field foundry sites in Estonia, the United Kingdom and Poland. The planned network forms part of the company's long-term plan to reach annual capacity of 1 million missiles. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.